Dear students, Namaste, good morning to you all, and also welcome to another session of online mathematics class. In the previous session, we have studied the properties of determinants and we have solved the questions based on the properties of determinants. And in today's session, we shall discuss the concept of area of triangle by using determinants. Let's move on to the topic. Let's begin the session by recalling the concept of area of a triangle. In class 10, you have studied the formula for finding the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by the expression 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. When you see the term which is inside the square bracket, means starting from x1 to till y2, this is the expansion of a determinant. So this entire term can rewrite in the determinant form as delta is equal to 1 by 2 into determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. When you expand this determinant along the first column, you will get this term. You can try it. X1 into that row column is gone. 1 into y2, that is y2, minus 1 into y3, that is y3. So that is the first term, x1 into y2 minus y3. Likewise, x2 into y3 minus y1 also will get, x3 into y1 minus y2 also will get when you expand it through first column. So if you are asked to calculate the area of a triangle by using the determinant form, in the sense you have to use this formula. While using the formula, you have to keep some points in mind. The first one is, since the area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. Means even if you get a negative value when you calculate the determinant, you take the positive value only, the absolute value only you have to take, because the area is always positive. And the second point is, if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. Area is given to you, and after that you may ask to calculate any one of the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 or x3, y3. Then you have to use the given area both positive and negative. That is, if area is given to you plus 4, then you have to take both plus and minus. So you have to take area is equal to plus or minus 4. Then you have to go for calculation. So you may get two set of answers. In the third point, the area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. You have studied this one in class 10. Means if you want to prove the collinearity of 3 points, you may consider as the area of triangle is 0. So you have to prove area of triangle is equal to 0. Then we can say that the 3 points are collinear, or the 3 points lying in a straight line. Move on to exercise 4.3. First question. Find the area of the triangle with vertices at the point given in each of the following. First question is 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. So the area of the triangle with vertices 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3 is given by the relation. Let's recall the formula 1 by 2 into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So we can substitute it, that is 1 by 2 into x1, y1, that is this 2 is, you can take it as x1 and y1, that is x1, y1, 1, 0. The third element is 1. Then x2, y2, 1. x2, y2 is here 6, 0. So 6, 0 and 1. x3, y3, that is 4 and 3. So 4, 3 and 1. Go for the calculation, that is 1 by 2 into, we can expand along the first row. Here one element is 0, you can expand along the first row, that is 1 by 2 into 1 into, if you leave the first row and first column, 1 into 0, that is 0, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So 1 into 0 minus 3, minus second element, it is minus 0 into row column is gone, 6 into 1, that is 6, minus 4 into 1, 4. Then third element, that is 1 3, that is 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is an even number, so the sign is plus. Plus 1 into row column is gone. 6 into 3, that is 18, minus 4 into 0, that is 0. Go for the calculation, that is 1 by 2 into 0 minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. This 0 into any quantity, that is 0, no need to write, plus 18 minus 0 is 18 into 1, that is 18. That is 15 by 2 square units, means 18 minus 3 is 15, denominator is 2, 15 by 2 square units. That is the answer for first question. Next one, question number 2. Points are given to you 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. And the third set, that is minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, and minus 1, minus 8. So these two questions you will do it as homework. Move on to question number 2. Show that the points a comma b plus c, b comma c plus a, c comma a plus b are collinear. I have mentioned you before, if you want to prove that the given points are collinear, means you have to prove that the triangle formed by these 3 points, the area of triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. So let's calculate the area of triangle. Delta is equal to 1 by 2 into, the formula is x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So x1 y1, x1 is a, y1 is b plus c. So a b plus c 1, x2 y2 b c plus a. So b c plus a 1. Next c a plus b, that is x3 y3. So c a plus b 1. So we have to make this, the value of this determinant is 0. Then only we can show that the points are collinear. So how to make this determinant 0? We can use the properties of determinants. The first operation, R2 changes to R2 minus R1. So R2 is this one, R1 is this one. R2 minus R1, that means one element will be 0. Next, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. R3 is this one, R1 is this one. So here when you do it, this element will be 0. Let's go for the calculation. That is 1 by 2 into R1 is same, A b plus C 1. So A b plus C 1 we have written as it is. Next, R2 is changing, R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 means B minus A. It is written. Then C plus A minus B minus C. So C plus A minus B minus C, when you do the calculation, you will get A minus B. C will be cancelled. Then 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Next, R3 is changing, R3 minus R1. R3 is C A plus B 1. So R3 minus R1 means first element C minus A. That is written. Next element A plus B minus C. So here B will be cancelled. A minus C will be the answer. Next, R3 minus R1 means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, we have to go for taking the common factors. That is, here when you check in this row, that is R2, there is A minus B is common. And in R3, there is C minus A or A minus B. I am taking here C minus A outside. So 1 by 2 into A minus B into C minus A. First row remains the same, A into B plus C into 1. So it is written. Next, B minus A is here, A minus B went out. So there is minus 1 balance. Next, A minus B outside, 1 balance. 0 remains same. Next here, first element is C minus A outside. So there is 1 balance. A minus C is there. C minus A we have taken outside. So minus 1 is the balance. Last element 0. Next, we can go for R3 changes to R3 plus R2. So here minus 1 plus 1 is there. Here also minus 1 plus 1 is there. When you do R3 and R2 together addition, these two elements will be 0. So we can go for the calculation. That is 1 by 2 into A minus B into C minus A into determinant. R1, R2 remains same. A, B plus C 1, minus 1, 1, 0. R3 is changing. R3 plus R2. So R3 plus R2. So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. And the third element remains 0. Then when you look at the determinant, the third row completely 0. So we can write the entire determinant value as 0. The reason is all elements of R3 are 0 that we have studied in the properties of determinants. Finally, we have got the area of area of triangle is equal to 0. So we can conclude that the points A, B and C are collinear. Question number 3. Find the values of K if area of triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are K0, 40 and 02. Here the area of triangle is given to you 4 square units. In the properties we have already studied that we have to take both positive and negative values. So plus or minus 4 we have taken. Use the formula that is 1 by 2 into x1 y1 k and 0. So k 0 1 x2 y2 that is 4 and 0 4 0 and 1 x3 y3 0 2 0 2 and 1 equal to plus or minus 4. Expand it 1 by 2 into k. If you take row column is gone, 1 into 0 0 2 into 1 2. So k into 0 minus 2 minus 0 into row column is gone, 4 into 1 4 0 into 1 0. So 4 minus 0 plus third element 1 into row column is gone, 4 into 2 8 minus 0 into 0 0. It's written equal to plus or minus 4. Calculation 1 by 2 into 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 into k minus 2k. Then minus 0 into any quantity 0 itself. No need to write. Plus 1 into 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Equal to plus or minus 4. Here when you check in these two terms there is 2 is common, cancel it. The balance will be minus k plus 4. Here 2 outside going means this here in this term minus k will be the balance, and in this term only 4 will be the balance. 2 will be cancelled equal to plus or minus 4. That is equal to, we can take two values separately. Minus k plus 4 equal to plus 4 and minus 4 are the values. Here you have to split it. First I am taking minus k plus 4 equal to minus 4. That is equal to k. If you calculate this, 4 will go to the right side. So 4 going means minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8. So both the minus will be cancelled. Here minus k equal to minus 8 will come. Minus minus cancelled. So finally k is equal to 8. With another value if you calculate, minus k plus 4 is equal to, here minus 4 is already taken, plus 4 is the balance. So that we have written here. That is k is equal to this plus 4 going to the right side, it becomes minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So k we have got two values. One is 8, another one is 0. Find the values of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and the vertices are, second set of questions, minus 2 0 0 4 and 0 k. As we have explained before, area of triangle we can take it as plus or minus 4. Then substitute in the formula 1 by 2 into x1 y1 that is minus 2 0 and 1. x2 y2 is 0 4 that is 0 4 1. x3 y3 is 0 k that is 0 k and 1 equal to plus or minus 4. You can see in the first column two elements are 0. So we can expand along first column. That is 1 by 2 into only minus 2 we have to take. Minus 2 row column is gone. 4 into 1 is 4. K into 1 is k. So minus 2 into 4 minus k equal to plus or minus 4. Here 2 and 2 we can cancel, and removing time minus 4 minus into minus plus k. So we can write it as k minus 4 equal to plus or minus 4. We have to split it. That is k minus 4 is equal to 4. Then k is equal to 4 will be going to the right side. That is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. With another value, when k minus 4 is equal to minus 4, k is equal to minus 4. This minus 4 going to the right side, it becomes plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 that is equal to 0. So the values of k are 0 and 8. Move on to question number 4. Find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. So we have to form the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6. So here the third point we have to assume, that is, let Pxy be any point on the line joining the points A12 and B36. So A and B are these 2 points, and we have taken another point P on the same line that we have to take as xy. Then points A, B and P are collinear according to our assumption, because A and B is a straight line. We have to take a point P which is on the same line. So A, B, P are collinear. As we know, the 3 points are collinear means area of triangle is 0. That is 1 by 2 into elements 1, 2 and 1. Then next is 3, 6 and 1. Next is x, y and 1. x1, y1, 1. x2, y2, 1. x3, y3, 1 equal to 0. Go for expansion, that is 1 by 2 into first row 1. If you take row, column is gone. 6 into 1 is 6. Y into 1 is y. So 6 minus y. Minus 2 into row, column is gone. 3 into 1, 3. X into 1 is x. So 3 minus x. Plus 1 into row, column is gone. 3 into y is 3y. 6 into x is 6x. So 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Go for further calculation, that is, these two we can multiply with 0, it will go 0. That is, removing the bracket, 1 into 6, that is 6. 1 into minus y, that is minus y. Minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 2 into x is 2x. 1 into 3y, that is 3y. 1 into minus 6x, that is minus 6x equal to 0. That is, here minus y plus 3y, that is 3y minus y, we will get it as 2y. Then here 2x, here minus 6x. So 2x minus 6x is minus 4x. Constant terms 6 and minus 6 is gone. Then finally we right side we have got 0. Then when you cancel it, we can get 2, we can cancel it here, 2y minus 4x. So when you cancel it, y minus 2x will come. Y minus 2x is equal to 0. That minus 2x you can take to the right side. Final answer, y is equal to 2x. So this is the equation. Question number 4, the second part. Find the equation of the line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using determinants. This question is just similar to the previous question, and you will do it as homework. Next is a multiple choice question, that is, if area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices 2, minus 6, 5, 4 and k4, then k is, 4 options are given to you. First option is 12, second option minus 2, third option minus 12 minus 2, and fourth option 12 minus 2. We have to do little calculation, but simple way we have to do, no need to write all the steps since it is a multiple choice. So area of triangle is equal to plus or minus 35. Here plus or minus we have to take, because in the properties we have studied, even plus value is given to you, you have to take both plus and minus. So expand it, that is 1 by 2 into 2, if you take, row column is gone, 4 into 1, 4, again minus 4. So 4 minus 4 minus, again minus 6 into, row column is gone, 5 into 1, 5, k into 1, k. So 5 minus k plus 1 into, row column is gone, 5 into 4, 20, 4 into k, 4k. So 20 minus 4k equal to plus or minus 35. Go for the calculation, that is 1 by 2 into, this is gone completely 0. Here minus into minus plus 6, 5 into 6 is 30, 6 into k is 6k, 20 into 1 20, minus 4k into 1 minus 4k equal to plus or minus 25. Calculation again, 1 by 2 into 30 plus 20 is 50, minus 6k minus 4k is minus 10k equal to plus or minus 35. Here 2 is cancelled, then we can write it as 25 minus 5k. Here 2 going means out of 50, 25 will be getting 10. If you divide with 2, you will get 5 equal to plus or minus 35. Here also you can see there is a 5 is common. So here 5 cancelling means 25 by 5, 5 will come. Here 5 going means only k balance. Here 5 going means 7 balance. So we can write 5 minus k is equal to minus 7. So this one, this k we can take to the right side, minus 7 we can bring to the left side. So minus k going to the right side means plus k. Minus 7 going to left means it is plus 7, that is 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12. Then 5 minus k is equal to 7. Minus 7 already taken, plus 7 you have to take. Then k is equal to, this k we can take to the right, 7 to the left. So k is equal to 7 coming to the left means 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. So the values of k are 12 and minus 2. Here the option D is correct. So we have to mark option D. Dear students, in today's session we have discussed how to find the area of triangle using determinants and also some application questions based on the determinant form of area of triangles. It is a very simple topic and hope it is clear for you all. So please revise, and if you feel any inconvenience or doubts, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.